Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. Today I want to talk to you about these two cameras right here. This is the Insta360 1X, and this is the rylo. These two cameras are two of the most popular 360 cameras that you can buy. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with 360 cameras, this is absolutely the future. The idea behind both these cameras is you shoot and then you point. So in post-production, meaning after you actually record your footage, you actually control where the camera looks at. It's really cool. Both these cameras see a full 360 around them. They mean from this camera, I can see everything. I can see that way, I can see this way, that way. So once you do your post-production work, meaning you work in the app, you basically get a linear video, meaning it's just like you would get from a regular camera or if you record from your phone. It's very cool, but it gives you a lot of shooting options. So the reason why I'm making this video is I was actually in the market for one of these cameras and I couldn't decide which one was the best. So what I cared about is which one of these cameras actually shot the most stable and the best quality video, and that's what we're going to look at today. It's really simple. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, we're going to go for a bike ride. I've got both of my 360 cameras here on this rig. I've got the Insta360 1X and the rylo right there. I've got both cameras set to 4K, 30 frames per second. Things are gonna get really shaky. It'll be interesting to see how these guys record. Let's go.
Let's head out on our bikes. You can see I have the Insta360 on the right and the rylo on the left. I want to draw your attention to the rylo. There's a glitch coming up right here. There it is. And that glitch was happening often with the rylo. I can't explain it. Now the other thing I want to point out is you can see in this mid-light conditions, the Insta360 looks really natural, really good light. The rylo's on the darker side. Alright, now we're moving into bright light with shadows. You can see the Insta360 looks a bit overexposed, but I think most people are going to like the look of that over the rylo. So in this next scene, I'm actually trying to track the people as I go by them. Watch the rylo, it completely overshoots. The Insta360 does a nice job, nice and smooth. Now it shows up again as I cross this bridge. Watch the rylo, it's dragging behind, it's not facing forward. The Insta360 is right on point. And I have to say, that's where the Insta360 shined. The editing tools made this process super easy.
So there's two more things I want to talk about today. We'll start with the Insta360. The first thing is stability. How does it handle this? What does this look like? The second is how well does it hide this selfie stick? You can see it's obviously here. Let's see how the Insta360 does of getting rid of it. All right, the next up is the rylo. Here's the shake test. And here's the selfie stick test. So I love when I make these tests and I'm actually surprised by the results. This Insta360 1X performed great. It outperformed the rylo in almost every test we did here today. It was better in image quality, stability. It did a much better job of removing the selfie stick, and the editing software for the Insta360 is awesome. It's almost perfect. Now the rylo does have some things going for it. The controls on the actual camera, in my opinion, are better than the Insta360 controls. Also, the cost of the rylo right now is half that of the Insta360. It's on sale for $200. But there's probably a reason why this guy's on sale right now. So in my opinion, if you can only have one, and that's really all you need, I say hands down it's the Insta360. I'm shocked by that. I've been using the rylo for about a year, 2 years now, and it looks like I'm gonna have to move on to the Insta360. So that's a great result. Anyway, guys, if you could, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my other content, and I'll see you guys around real soon. We're out of here.